It's finally time to head out for our first long Airstream trip. It's been about a year and a half since we've gone on a trip, so we have a lot of packing to do. We spent the last week working on Ella the Excella and making all the improvements that we could, and whether we're ready or not, it's time to go. We plan on being gone for a month, and our first stop is a family favorite, Eagle River, Wisconsin. We're at the Eagle River County Fairgrounds, and this is like a newer craft show that they have going on right now. I found a booth with some rocks in it.
Rocks, eh?
Yes.
Let's go get some of those rocky rocks. Looks like something from Rick and Morty.
Kind of. Like a portal with teeth.
Yeah.
Frankie Fluoride, Quentin Quartz, Captain Calcite.
Ew, I love it.
Collect them all today.
Very cute.
Frankie Fluoride, sweet.
Very
Frankie
cute.
Fluoride.
Ew, those are so cute.
Quackadile.
Quackadile.
Quackadile,
Okay.
ew.
I love that color. That's great.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's really cool. It's like iridescent.
Hold this down and talk into it.
That's
All
dope.
the old-timey 1950s cop dispatch or whatever.
Yeah, I love it.
They'd have that.
You want to try orange sherbet?
Now, when you say try,
Put it on your flesh. No! Put it on your flesh.
I guess I could do that too.
What do you think?
Smells good.
This is the Bum Bum scent.
The what now?
It smells very beachy. I like that one. Smell good?
It's soaked right in there. Here's this one. This one's got a really nice outdoor theme.
Ew, I love it.
Got fishing, boating.
Oh.
This looks great.
Oh, dope. It's got like a trailer on it.
Trees, canoes, got an RV.
All right, we can do that.
One,
and then
and
these
this one.
right here are for when the boys lose a tooth. They put the tooth in the pillow, and then you put the money in the pillow, and they check it. Ew, I love this one. Look at this little guy.
It's the masked tooth.
If you could read this, the snacks are gone. You may go home now. I can't have nice things because I always lose them.
That's true. Oh, very good, very good.
These are really
Oh,
good.
nice.
All right, let's
You
see
got
you.
the hand. Yeah, close enough. We'll call that good.
So, thoughts?
I thought that was great. Just the size crowd that I like.
Empty. It was
Nobody
tiny.
else.
It's the first year that this one is going on, Eagle River Days, apparently, so there's just not a lot of people. Plus, it rained all morning.
I mean,
so.
I feel bad for the vendors. 'cause
I do too.
They're hoping for more, but it was nice from our perspective.
Yeah, we had fun.
It's not crowded.
And Max is still asleep.
Plenty of time to chat about products. It's good stuff.
Yeah, it was fun. Ah, sweet renewal, sweet sleep. Mommy needed a nap, but now
always what we
it's back
always
to
say.
Mommy duty because this one put a duty in his shorts and it's gross and I gotta clean the clothes.
Those are some cool shorts though, bud. Champion. Those are nice.
Honestly, this is not too bad. There's like one little piece of poop on this. Top perfection. Let's go down to the dock. Eagle River is one of those spots that we come to every single year because my dad and stepmom have a built-in trailer up here. So it's kind of like a permanent campsite slash transient campsite. Campground, it's really nice, beautiful, lots of trees. And the last time we came up here was like a year and a half ago. It's been a minute. This was actually our last camping trip, I think October of 2023. Nothing much has changed. It's still very, very nice. Smells of pine and campfires. And we love it, don't we, honey? Can you say, we love it?
We love it.
We're on Cranberry Lake. Cranberry's right over here. Look, here's Cranberry. And we're right here. Boop. How's the meat coming along, Toots? Oh, looks so good. Okay, so day one of RV trip with kids.
Very good. It's great. It's excellent. They're running it out. They're getting it out of their system. They're getting it out of their system. It's pouring out of them like sweat.
It's 8 p.m. and I feel like I'm completely drained. So one is playing in the street, one wants to go home and is making laps around the truck.
Oh my God, it's the wild Harry. He's on the loose.
You want to go in and lie down by the TV?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's a wild raptor on the loose.
We had a very rough night last night. This little guy right here had a poop he couldn't get out, and he was crying a lot. But I think I got a reasonable amount of sleep. The boys have been eating chips and Cheerios over at Papa and Grandma's house, so that's gotta stop. Probably why they can't poop. So how long has it been since we have cooked with this rusty ass black stove?
I'm trying to figure that out. I think it would have been October of 23.
But that was cold. It was like Cranberry Fest up here, and I don't.
So summer of 22, so 2 years ago.
Wow. Basically, it's just rusty grease.
This is nice, greasy, rusty oil that we're gonna wipe off.
But we're gonna make it sing. We're gonna make it beautiful again.
I'm gonna try to make it go down the trap, but this trap is kind of messed up. What do you think? A little rusty, a little brown, a little crusty.
Ew. All right, what do you want to do? What do you want to play?
I do bring us to outside.
You want to play Sprunky Phase 2 outside? Well, you guys have earned a lot of stars, so I think I can make that happen. So we don't let our kids have the iPad unless they have earned 6 total stars. They earn a star by going pee-pee in the toilet. They'd earn 2 stars if they would go poo-poo in the toilet, but they have yet to master
I'm about
that.
to earn. You ate all the dressing yesterday.
I
You
ate
were,
all the dressing?
Insisting on it. You're just like,
Yeah,
dressing.
that was me. That was all me. Uh-huh.
I thought you had more in that stupid bin to make out oil.
Why did you bring it up again? This is your fault.
It was funny, that's why.
Uh-huh. It was so funny that he took all of the dressing.
I did not. I left you some and then you used none.
It was fine. No,
I used none. And then
I used
I
all
realized
that was left.
that what I thought was a lot was barely a dusting on my salad.
And then when he was done eating his salad, because he's like, oh, he poured his dressing onto my salad. And then it was enough salad
It was
dressing.
only slightly used dressing. Slightly.
I hate him. Worst husband
Lightly
ever.
used dressing.
Summertime is upon us, and it is the season for grilling and barbecuing. But you want to make sure that the meat you're cooking is high quality and healthy. That's where ButcherBox comes in. ButcherBox is a premium meat subscription service that is dedicated to delivering high quality grass-fed, grass-finished beef, organic chicken, pork-raised crate-free, and wild-caught seafood straight to your front door. ButcherBox prioritizes ethical sourcing and sustainability with the convenience of free shipping with every order. You can build a custom box and create a perfect mix of cuts for your lifestyle with over 25 plus cuts to choose from. Or you can let ButcherBox curate a box for you. Every box is a chance to try something new along with a few tried and true classics. If you'd like to try ButcherBox out for yourself, head to the link in the description. They recently did a deal where they gave away free ribeyes for an entire year. You could have also chosen free New York strips or free filet mignons. Every week they have a different amazing deal, so be sure to click on the link in the description to take advantage of it today. Thanks again to ButcherBox for sponsoring today's video. Hey, little boy, are you ready to go on an adventure? Where are we going today? Family grocery shopping, yeah!
Family grocery shopping, yeah!
Pull, pull, pull with all your muscles. Pull, pull, pull. You almost got it. Oh, there you go. Good job, Stinky. Ooh, what kind are these? Ooh, Honey Crisp. Those are our favorite.
I think it's chicken noodle soon.
It does. Drop it in. Oh! Push it hard. Use your muscles. Use your muscles. Yeah! Very good. Monday, day 4, going well. Today's kind of more of a chill day. We had a ton of laundry to do. Max had peed all over his car seat, so we had to do that and a bunch of towels and just clothes from the potty training. So that's basically what we've been doing today. Tata's in there watching them, Mama getting some work done. He came just in the nick of time. I was doing dishes this morning and our shower water, the gray tank, had started going up like this. Ah! And I got my order in late, but he came because they're amazing. This laundry is ready. Oh, thank you. Okay, this is Goran and my laundry. This is all the boys' laundry plus towels. Hello, Grill Master.
Oh, hello, darling.
What is on the menu for this evening?
Brats, and more brats, and a couple of zooks.
I love it. The child has succumbed to sleep.
Aw, baby Harry. So cute.
What about you, little Stinky?
Are you sleepy too?
Yeah, why don't you lay down on the couch and take a little nappy? Are both of my babies asleep? Oh, that's what happens when you don't get a nappy. This is literally the only time we get a break. It's when they're sleeping. Let's eat dinner in peace.
You know, so we know what we're dealing with. You should really just stick your tongue right in there. Just
Why would I do that?
just for science, you know?
What's it called?
It's only called the Executioner Pro.
Executioner Pro.
Not a training executioner or practice. This is
the pro.
It's the pro.
My dad hates the bug zappers that have a cage on them, so he only wants the cage-free, not kid-friendly, dangerous ones.
It's like a lightsaber.
Kill a bug.
I can't not. When you get this out, all the bugs start talking in the neighborhood. They just leave.
They're like, nope,
Can't handle.
we out.
Can't handle the pressure.
All right, Father. Good night. Love you.
Good night.
Mwah.
Harry, say good night.
See you soon.
Good night. See you tomorrow. We'll go for another
We're gonna
boat
go
ride.
for a boat ride. Let's go. Let's go.
Harry.
And we gotta go swimming.
Yeah, we're gonna do some fireballs. Let's go. Go to the truck. Go to the truck. Run, run, run.
Early the next morning.
Top of the morning to you. I must venture on down to Steve and Karen's to get some milky. We ran out last night. Tragedy. Hello, Father. We need some milk sustenance, please. Hi. What's up, little buddy? Milky has been secured. Goodbye. See you in a bit. come bearing Milky. What do you say? What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I missed a spot.
He said, hey, what's going on? Whoa, big waves. What did you find?
That's whopping. Oh, it just looks like a splash on my head.
How you doing, babe?
2 thumbs up.
What'd you say, kiddo? Oh. Maxie, what are you doing with your hot dog? Are you eating it? Oh, let me see your face. You got a lot of hot dog in your mouth, bud.
You look like a crazy.
After a fun-filled week of boating and swimming, it's finally time to head to our next stop. Join us next week as we continue our epic family road trip and explore Michigan from Mackinac City to Monroe. We're going to stay at our very first Harvest Host location and find some good eats in the city of Ann Arbor, as well as explore a very cool haunted museum. We'll see you next week.